Hey, I'm John Crestani, and I'm going to show you how you make your first $1,000 online by having a check sent directly to your home address with the money that you can deposit in your bank account. Now, just to show you what I earn in a single day, this is what I earn in a single day. And here is the proof. This is my daily sales snapshot. Check this out, $8,000, $11,000, $12,000, $20,000. That's the amount of money I earn in a single day with my marketing business that runs completely without me. Now, what I'm going to show you is how to earn your first $1,000 online if you keep watching this training over the next 2 minutes. And I'm going to show you how you can make this $1,000 from your home or from a hammock. Doesn't matter. Now, you don't need to go into an office location to do this. Now, this doesn't involve cryptocurrencies. Doesn't. There's scam. This doesn't involve selling anyone or doing any sort of sales. You know, you probably won't look good or sound good enough to get good sales anyways. And this doesn't involve e-commerce. You're not going to have to sell any products on Amazon. It's too competitive out there, and Amazon takes too many fees anyways. And you're not going to have to learn drop shipping. Drop shipping is a scam, okay? Plain and simple. Now, what I'm going to be showing you in this training that you can sign up for by clicking the link on this screen somewhere is how to make money from the internet with all you need is a computer connection to make money, okay? All you need is an internet connection, and to view the free training that you can sign up for somewhere on the screen, click the link and I will show you how you can earn this sort of money every single day like I have. Now, I've been featured in the news. I've been featured on Fox, ABC, all around the world. My students, and many of them have become multi-millionaires. And I will be showing you how you can get the same sort of results that I do once you sign up for my training. Now, when you click the link, you will come to a web page that shows free training, how to sign up for a six-figure side income online. Now, what you will do is you'll click the button and you'll fill out your information and register now. Now, seating is limited, but you will be able, it's a number of spots every day, but you should still be able to sign up, and I will show you how you can make money online using the most valuable skill in the world that can truly give you freedom. Freedom. You're not going to learn it at your job. You're not going to learn it talking to your broke friends. And you're not going to learn it by going to college. In fact, the exact opposite. The way you are going to learn how to be financially free is you are going to hang out and learn from successful people how to make money from the internet. You have a chance today to sign up for a free 2-hour training with me to learn how you can do this. You have 2 choices in life you can take. It's your choice. You can go home, you can stop thinking about this, you can go back to your job, you can talk to your broke friends, you can act angry or act sad or whatever you want to do and click off and say how this whole thing is, you know, it's all stupid, it doesn't work, right? Or you can give it a shot and do it and attend the free training just like many other people have who have become millionaires. I'll see you soon.